Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Mocktail Beauties 2017 and I'm Prerna here. So today we are preparing a healthy breakfast recipe which is mixed dal dosa. For this the ingredients are: I have taken moong dal, this is yellow moong dal, tur dal, green moong dal, some rice. You can take idli rice also, but I have taken normal rice. Urad dal, chana dal, green chilies, salt and some oil to fry the dosa. Before going to that, I want to mention you that I have taken 3/4 cup of all the ingredients, all dals, rice and all. I have taken 3/4 cup. You can reduce or increase the measurement as per your as per your wish. Here I am taking these things for around 4 to 5. It serves for 4 to 5 people. So now let's soak the grains. So here I have taken a white bowl. In this I'll keep on adding all the grains. This is the green moong dal, yellow moong dal, tur dal, chana dal, urad dal, rice, let's mix everything. Let's add in green chili also. I've taken 3 green chilies for this. So let's wash this. Let's wash this in 3 to 4 times. Let's wash this for 3 to 4 times in water, normal water. So I have washed the dal now. So let's leave this to soak overnight. It is a protein packed recipe. It is very healthy and delicious, easy recipe. It is an instant recipe, no need of fermentation and all. Just soak this for 8 hours in the night and grind this in the morning and just put dosa. It is very easy and dosa will come very crispy. So now let's leave this to soak overnight. So the dal has been soaked nicely overnight and I have drained the water. So now let's grind this. So now we have taken this in a jar to grind. Let's add little by little water and grind this. So now I have grinded this mixture. Now let's add in salt. And some water. Let's mix this nicely to get that perfect dosa batter. That's enough. Let's mix this nicely. So now the batter is perfectly ready. Now let's put the dosa. So I kept tawa for heater. Now tawa is heated. Let's add in this. Let's add in oil. Let's close the lid. The back side of the dosa should be little brownish color. This is an instant recipe and it is fully protein packed recipe and it is very healthy. And I'll show you one more dosa. Let's add in oil. Let's close this. So now this is ready. So now our dosa is ready. Very crispy. You can hear the sound also, it's very crispy. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video and share it with your friends. You can have this dosa with any type of chutney. It will be very nice. So thank you everybody.